y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. Y'all miss me? Anyway, I'm back with a good one. So last week I did a Galentine's Day. I hosted some of my friends over. It was so freaking cute. And I made a red velvet cake because, you know, Valentine's, red velvet. And it came out so good. I got great reviews, okay? Because, you know, I be doing it, okay? I be doing it. It came out so well, and I had to share it with you. If you want to see how I made a red velvet cake, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the wet ingredients, and I wasn't filming when I put the oil in. What am I, a rookie? That's insane. Anyway, it's a cake, so we're gonna use oil. If you want to do oil-free cake, babe, maybe I can try it. I'll try it and let you know. But like, I was trying to, like, none of my friends are vegan, so when it's time for me to host, I'll be like, I'm finna do it for real. And also, like, that's kind of the nature of my channel. Like, if you're gonna make a red velvet cake, we're gonna make a red velvet cake. And that's on period. Anyway, so we're gonna start off with a cup of oil, 3/4 cups of plant milk. I use oat milk because I think it's like, since it's a bit more fatty, I think it does better in certain recipes, but you can use almond milk. Do the girls still do rice milk? I don't know. Oh, I guess if you're allergic to almonds. Huh. Soy milk. Yeah, so do whatever you like. Okay, and I'm going in with some food gel. Now I got this from Michael's, and I didn't scour the earth, but I had to make sure that like it was vegan because a lot of food colorings use like bugs. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not a scientist, but like, what's that even about? So I went to Michael's and I got this one. I did get one from Walmart that also happened to be vegan, but when I bought it and then I read the reviews after, and it's sitting in my car, I'm about to take it right back because it would not get pink. And last year, I tried to do this very same recipe, and I bought, like, I used the ones from Whole Foods, no tea, no shades of Whole Foods, but I used like the plant-based whatever from Whole Foods, the food coloring, and it would not what's called stay red. The cake was brown, so I never posted it. It tasted good though. Well, I never posted it, but this year I was like, I'm hosting the Galentines. I literally must have a red velvet cake, and it works perfectly. You could skip the food coloring; it will be velvet cake. I don't know what it will be, but yeah, go to Michael's or wherever, or you could do a pink cake and go to Walmart, whatever you want to do. Anyway, so you missed a bunch. Let me see if I can catch up. Flour, a little bit of cocoa powder. I put 3 tablespoons because I wanted a little bit more chocolatey, but it was still a hint of chocolate because red velvet's not supposed to be a chocolate cake. It's supposed to be red velvet. A little bit of vinegar because typically red velvet cake has vinegar, but also just to help me along. I was going for texture. It's already vegan. I had my vegan eggs to help me out. I get them from Whole Foods. I love them. I can throw them into stuff and they act like an egg. I have never eaten them. Like, I've never like powdered them up. What am I saying? You know, I haven't mixed them up and then tried to fry it, but I don't really like eggs like that anyway. I didn't like eggs before I went vegan. I'll just be funny about it. And I whisked it all together. Vanilla, you know, cake stuff. Oh, when I made my cake, I put 2 cups of sugar. I thought it was too sweet. The girls didn't think so, but I thought it was too sweet. So the recipe says 1 and 3/4 cup of sugar. Do what you want to do. Taste it as you go. Boom, boom. Okay, so I only have 1 cake pan, and when I went to Michael's, I went to go look at the cake pans. I was like, sweet baby girl, I'm not paying $20 for a cake pan. And you're like, why didn't you stop at Dollar Tree? I was running late. But I'm gonna do better. I had to cook them back to back. And I was like rushing a little bit because I had a concert this day. It was a crazy day. Anyway, here she is, and she gorge. Do better than me. What you're gonna do is make sure you get the oil all around the sides. You'll see why in a second. But the second cake, the second round that I did, I made sure the oil went above on the sides. Tambien, okay? So now it's time for me to make my frosting. This is a regular frosting. If you watch my king cake video, you've seen a variation of this frosting. It's just a cream cheese frosting. The king cake video, it was more runny. That's my fault. I left the stuff out too long at room temperature. And also, what else did I do? I don't know what happened. That was a crazy day too, because that was Super Bowl day when I made that. But anyway, we move. I have 16 ounces of vegan cream cheese. I love the one from Trader Joe's right now. I think it's the closest thing I've had to cream cheese since going vegan. Oh, I think the Kai Hill one is good too. It's just like a little high, like $7. So if you're making this, that's $14 for cream cheese. In this economy, I mean, girl, do your thing. I like the one from Trader Joe's. Not everybody has Trader Joe's near them. I think the tofuti one is fine. Just lower your expectations. The tofuti one, okay. Whisk it till it's smooth, added some vanilla, and then you add as much powdered sugar as you want. I was tasting as I went to make sure it was like sweet enough or whatever, and you just stir it, and you can use regular sugar. It works. When I did a carrot cake for Christmas, I used regular sugar. So do you want to do? Okay, I am not a baker. Y'all know that. Okay, let me stop saying that because I really have been in my baking era. This is on the playlist, baking era. But like, you know, after this, I was like, I need to buy a cake situation. That's not what it's called. It's called a cake stand kit because this was a little arduous for my taste. You know, I don't like going through nothing. Like, it was cute at the beginning when I was like, okay, I'm just gonna stack this and stack this. And then I was like, no, you gotta go down the sides. Oh yeah, so this is what I was talking about before. The edges is a circle. I know, wait, the circumference. I have a high school education. The circumference got a little crispy because the oil didn't go all the way up. So just be mindful of that. Make sure the oil goes all around the cake pan. And so I really should have stopped here because when I made, I did a Friendsgiving. Oh, that was cute too. I forgot to film. I made a chocolate cake and I just did this and that was it. But I was like, no, let's get fancy with it. Let's show it. Katie, what's going on? Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. She got a little chaotic and I took out my little, situation, whatever this is called. And I was just like, we're going to make it look like a crumb coat. You know how like the girls be making their cakes and they look like they're crumb coated? I was like, that's what I'm finna do. And it worked out, period. Isn't she cute? The inside of the cake, it looked fine. I forgot to put it in. It looked like a cake. It was great. Literally, my friend sent me a picture of her like niece, I don't know, like chowing down on it. Like, she's a stunner. She's gorgeous. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. I don't know, I have enough videos. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what I should make next. You know, I will listen. I will make it. Okay, period. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye, y'all.